Hello, this is CGDI Official. I will tell you how to relate a key to the IMMO with CGDI A2 when adding a new key. First, access to IMMO application. Now we are in a Honda Graze. Find out the model and select it. Second, choose the key type and the number of OBD pins. Third, start key learning. Turn on the ignition with the original key. From here until the end, all you need to do is follow the prompts to operate. But it's very crucial. Select key and add one key. Just follow the prompts on the software to turn it on and off. Fourth, relate the new key to the IMMO. Switch on the ignition with it in 20 seconds. And follow the prompts on the software to turn the car on and off again. Keep an eye on the indicator light here. The light was off, so click yes. OK, when this prompt appears, it indicates that the relation has been successful.